you're experiencing lag spikes while gaming on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and performance. Follow this guide to help reduce those frustrating interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as it typically offers a more reliable connection than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Access your Xbox network settings and run a network test. Look for any issues with your NAT type, which should ideally be set to open for the best performance. Adjust your router settings if necessary. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background on your Xbox that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming apps or downloads that could be consuming resources while you play. Step 4. Update your console. Regularly check for system updates on your Xbox Series X. Keeping your console updated ensures you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce lag. Step 5. Manage game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for graphics and performance. Lowering certain graphical settings can help improve frame rates and reduce lag, especially in graphically intensive games. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming experience on Xbox Series X. Enjoy smoother gameplay and fewer interruptions.